My name is Nitya. I'm a financial advisor. Today, I'm going to talk about health insurance, and also I'm going to compare health insurance from the top banks. And also, I'm going to talk about the key points to remember before buying the health insurance, and how we can choose health insurance, and what are the things we should look before taking the health insurance. In every year, many people in India end up selling their assets like gold, properties, or end up breaking their FD just because they don't have a medical insurance. In fact, some people even end up borrowing money from friends and relatives. As per research, only 36% people in India are covered under health insurance. The healthcare cost in India is rising at a very fast rate. A few days of hospitalization can cost lakhs. It just takes one accident to wipe out the entire lifetime of savings. One heart attack can break you physically, mentally, as well as financially. So, the health insurance is a type of insurance coverage that pays the insured for medical and surgical expenses. So, it is quite simple. Health insurance is a product that takes care of doctor's bills or medical bills in case if found it when you are admitted in hospital. One of the biggest fears we have is how much will this cost me? Now, the importance of health insurance. Why do you need health insurance? Because buying a health insurance policy for yourself and your family is important because medical care is expensive, especially in the private sector. Hospitalization can burn a hole in your pocket and your finances. It will become even tough if the person who brings in the money is now in a hospital bed. All this can be avoided by just paying a small annual premium, which would lessen your stress in case of medical emergencies. A good health insurance policy could usually cover expenses made towards doctor consultation fees, cost towards medical tests, ambulance charges, hospitalization cost, and even post-hospitalization recovery costs to a certain extent. So, these are all the importance of health insurance. It can beat medical inflation, afford quality medical treatment, fight lifestyle diseases, protect your savings, avoid cashless hospitalization, get tax benefits, and ensure peace of mind. The next one is type of health insurance plans. The first one is individual. Individual health insurance is the coverage that you purchase on your own or on an individual or family basis. The next one is family floater. A family floater health insurance policy allows you to cover your entire family under the umbrella of one health insurance policy and with the payment of a single annual premium amount. The next one is group health insurance. Group medical insurance policy provides health coverage to a group of employees. Usually, a group health insurance cover is offered by the organization, banks, business group, like that. Next one is senior citizen health insurance. Health insurance for senior citizens in India is offered by different insurance companies to financially secure those who are aged 65 years and above. The next one is critical illness. Critical illness insurance plan provides coverage against specific life-threatening diseases like cancer, kidney failure, surgery, heart attack, etc. The last one is specific illness. This plan provides coverage for a specific diseases including cancer, diabetes, even dengue at all stages, early or advanced. Now, what are the key factors to look at before buying health insurance? The first one is age criteria. Some health insurance policies have a cap on the maximum age on individual can be enjoy cover. You should check whether you can enjoy lifelong renewals under your medical insurance policy before making a decision. The next one is room rent. It means if taking medical insurance with room rent capping, for example, there can be a limit on room rent up to rupees 5,000 per night. Now, if you take a room of rupees 10,000 per night, then you will have to shell out additional rupees 5,000 per night out of your pocket. So that's a big catch. Hence, while taking insurance, make sure there is no room rent capping. The next one is waiting period. It means when you take a medical plan, there is a class on pre-existing disease. For example, if you have diabetes, then you won't be covered with diabetes for a fixed duration. Or if you have a heart issues, then you won't be covered on medical expenses for heart problem for let's say 3 years. If anything happens during that period, you have to bear the cost. In this case, you need to ensure the medical insurance has minimum weightage period. The next one is pre and post hospitalization charges. It is not just the surgery cost or hospital treatment that requires money. You also need to spend a lot of money on various diagnosis tests like MRI, CT scan and any more. So before taking medical insurance, you need to check it covers your pre and post hospitalization charges. The next one is cashless facility. You need to check the hospital network that is covered in the policy or not. So majority of medical insurance has the option of cashless facility where you don't need to pay anything upfront. Everything is managed cashless. Make sure your policy covers cashless facilities. And also make sure that the best hospitals in your city are covered in the hospital network of the insurance policy. Many people simply take a medical plan based on low annual premium and ignore all these important points. There are the most important factors that you need to keep in mind before taking the medical insurance. So now I'm going to compare health insurance from the top bank. I take into 3 banks: Tata AIG, HDFC and ICICI. So first one is Tata AIG. It is tie up with Axis Bank. In this, one of the product is Group Medicare. So this policy covers self, spouse and up to 2 dependent children. Eligibility is 18 to 55 years for adults and 91 days to 25 years for children. In this policy, the flat premium up to 55 years of age. Then this policy covers ABCD like asthma, blood pressure, cholesterol and diabetic. It covered from 31st day. And also in this policy, no restriction on hospital room rent and room category. Then what are the key benefits in this policy? So the first one is inpatient treatment, daycare procedure, pre and post hospitalization, family transportation benefit, organ donor, ambulance cover, restore benefit, nursing allowance, use cover. So in this policy, the sum assured, it means the individual and floater basis 5 lakh and 10 lakh. Pre-post hospitalization is 30 to 60 days respectively. The daycare procedure is 541 listed procedures. Then pre-existing and specific illness waiting period is covered after waiting period of 2 years. Then ABCD conditions and COVID cover is expenses covered from day 31. The initial waiting period is 30 days except in the case of accidents cover in from day 1. Then also emergency ambulance, 1% of sum insured for every hospitalization. Then nursing allowance is ₹500 for 15 days. Then Ayush, it covered up to sum assured. What this means Ayush? A for Ayurveda, Y for Yoga, Mantra, then U for Unani, S for Siddha, H for Homeopathy. So the next one is ICICI. complete health insurance. So in this policy, it covers pre and post hospitalization, take care treatments. It also covers Ayush treatment, free health checkup, documentary hospitalization, air ambulance cover, donor expenses, super no claim bonus. So in this policy, the family we can get self plus spouse plus 2 kids. The entry age is for adult 18 years to 55 years. Then for child entry age is 91 days to 25 years. Then sum assured we can take 15, 20, 25 and 50 lakhs. Pre-post hospitalization is 30 to 60 days respectively. And also, if this policy covers donor expenses up to 10 lakhs, then critical illness up to 50% of SI. Then what is not included in ICICI complete health insurance? So, any illness, disease, injury, pre-existing diseases before the inception of the policy, for the first 2 years, some diseases like hernia, stone in the urinary system and others will not be covered. Or an illness contracted within 30 days of the policy inception except those incurred as a result of an accident. Non-alphabetic treatment, pregnancy and childbirth related complications are not covered by this plan. The next one is HDFC Agro Health Suraksha. It covers some insured rebound, take care procedures, pre and post hospitalization cover, home and mental health care, recovery benefit, air and road ambulance cover, organ donor expenses, hospitalization expenses. So, in this policy, the entry age for adult is 18 years to 55 years. The entry age for child is 91 days to 25 years. The sum assured for individual and floater basis is 3 lakh and 5 lakhs. Pre and post hospitalization is 60 to 180 days respectively. In this policy, take care procedures is 144. So, the emergency ambulance is 1% of sum insured for every hospitalization. What is not included in HDFC Agro Health Insurance means it not covered treatment of intentional or self-injury, and also it not included plastic surgery or cosmetic surgery cost, treatment related to pregnancy, miscarriage, etc. Treatment of obesity and weight control program, experimental or unproven treatments. Now the conclusion. So it is very important that you spend enough time to understand the type of product you require. It's not an easy product to understand. There are quite a few terms and conditions. So please spend some time to clarify for yourself the terms and conditions, the things that are covered, the things that are not covered. Have a good clarity of the plan. So, for my opinion, with this comparison of this product, you can take Tata AIG Group Medicare because it covers most of the diseases. So, my best opinion is Group Healthcare in Tata AIG. So please do spend some time to study it, but that's a requirement for every single family, because when you do fall sick, you really don't know how much it would cost to recover from that illness, and health insurance allows you to buy time by using the money that the insurance company will pay the doctors and the hospital to help you recover better. To spend some time and study it for yourself. Haven't taken a medical insurance for you and your family? Then prioritize this medical plan right away. Thank you.